Alright, so I forgot to record this on the first teardown part, but to get this servo out, it's a reverse servo, you can use a C-clamp, the bigger the better. Just put it here, and you just turn that, and then this is going to compress that, and then you're going to grab like a chisel, screwdriver, flathead, and just knock this ring out. But be careful, there's a spring in there and it's just going to jump out, so put your hand over it and catch it. So I just popped this out. There's a washer in there, like that. And so there's another washer underneath this one right there. So there's another washer right there. It's right here. Go on top of the bearing, like that. Alright, just took this one off. There's a bushing right there. Alright, just pulled it out. Just the band on there that goes on here. Yeah. It's two bushings. Alright, so then I want you to see next is your reverse shell. And you have this ratchet type. Bottom. Here's your reverse shell. Alright. And this whole thing's gonna come out. Just like that. Heels gear. Alright, just took this out. Just going straight out. Alright. So there's some bushings on here. That goes in the middle. This is bearing washer. You get this. Just pulls right out. Alright, and there should be a washer right there. It's bearing. This whole assembly's gonna come out, and then your forward bands on there. Here's your small band. Yeah, it's pretty wore out. And forward band. These are pretty break all the time. Looks like it's wore out. Looks like it's on this. These are two guides for the bands. Yeah, that's pretty wore out. And they break right there. Yeah, that's about it. There's a bearing right there. Final one, the bearing. Let's go to the top. One, two accumulator, 2, 3 accumulator. And then this is your oil feed line into your planetary gears. So you gotta make sure that's tight. And then here's your pressure for your 1, 2 solenoids. That's where your filter goes, water bushing. And this. Accumulator goes there. Here's this. These tubes. This one goes first. Actually, here, hold on. Go in like that. Second one. There. Bigger one goes in the bottom. Your oil feed for your planetary gears goes right there. The little clamp. Just squeeze it, pull it out. Your servo, reverse servos at the top. These bolts go into here. Alright, and then this is that screen where some people find their transpan. It's right there, it breaks off, falls off, whatever. Yep. You need this. Don't